Hello guys, today we are going to solve a Belarusian Mathematics Olympiad 2017 problem number 3 which was asked on day 2. The question was from functional equation chapter. The functional equation was mapping from all real to all real such that f of x plus f of xy equals to x times f of 1 plus f of y for all xy greater than or equal to 0. Those who are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for more such videos and like and share my videos if you like, and comment all your valuable suggestions to these videos and my solution. And if you can also suggest some more intelligent solution which you may think. So let's start our solution to this. First of all, when I saw this question for the first time, what I thought was because xy is greater than or equal to 0, so I substituted y equals to 0 because I just wanted to eliminate a number of variables here, because here it is xy and then again f of y. X is here independent, so just I thought for eradicating these two variables, so I substituted y equals to 0. This is how I substituted y is 0, which implies f of x plus f of 0 equals to x times f of 1 plus f of 0. Now we can clearly observe that f of 0, this is a constant part, and there here f of 1 plus f of 0, this is also a constant part. So let's call this constant as a and this whole constant as b. Then what I am getting is f of x plus a equals to x times b. Okay. Now let's substitute, let x plus a equals to z, then we can get x equals to z minus a. So f of z equals to z minus a times b for all z belongs to real. Okay. So I can write in the terms of x as well, that b x minus a. Okay. Now to find the values of b and a, because we are having two variables b and a, we are going to substitute this functional equation in our mother equation which we have got in the question. So let's do it quickly. Here if I do, we have one function inside the another function, so let's write it down. F of x plus, now f of xy, if I substitute here xy, then I will get b times xy minus a equals to x f of 1 plus f of y, then we can get b y minus a. Okay. Now here we are having one function here, so let's rewrite it or substitute this whole term in place of x. Then what we'll get, b times this whole part x plus b xy minus a, okay, minus a from here equals to x times this whole part will be substituted over as x here. Then what we'll get, x times b of here, and then this whole part 1 b y minus a, then minus of a. Okay. Now let's solve this. B, okay, so let's go further. B x, and then we can write it as, I am just because there will be numerous steps, I am condensing the steps here. Let's take this RHS part also in the left hand side and take b common. Then I can write b xy minus a, then minus times x multiplied by this is minus, and this is minus, so when it will come here, then it will turn out to be positive. Okay, equals to 0. So now let's rewrite it. This x and this x will get cancelled out, so let's cancel it quickly. Now here if you clearly observe, or I can write here also b xy minus ab minus a, here minus b xy plus ab plus ax equals to 0. Okay. Now what I am going to get here is, let's check the calculations once more. Bx minus by minus a. Okay, I think all are fine. Then bxy will get cancelled out. Then ab and ab will get cancelled out. Then we are going to left with uh, uh, here everything is fine. B x minus 1 times a equals to 0. Here bxy, and here bx, and here we have left something. Okay, Here it was minus xb and then minus then plus ab times x. Here what we have missed something that I was trying to eradicate here. So we can't cancel this ab and this abx. Okay, so I'm rewriting here b bxy minus ab minus a minus bxy plus abx plus ax equals to 0. So this bxy will get cancel out. Then we can rewrite b here in this from these two parts. Let's take ab as common, then ab x minus 1, then plus, then from these two parts let's take a as common, then we'll get x minus 1. So now let's take x minus 1 as common, then ab plus a equals to 0. Now b, then once again take a common, ab b plus 1 x minus 1 equals to 0. Since this is true for all x belonging to real, so we can say that we have three possibilities. In the first possibility, a equals to 0 for all for everything, and in the second possibility b equals to 0, and the second possibility b equals to minus 1, and these all are with or, because it either of them can be true. So in the case when a equals to 0, then which type of function we are going to get is, here let's substitute a equals to 0. Then in this scenario fx equals to bx for all x belongs to R. And the scenario, and for the case when b equals to 0, then we are going to get one constant function fx equals to 0 for all x belongs to R. In the case when we are getting b equals to minus 1, let's substitute over here. Then fx equals to minus times x minus a, or a minus x for all x belongs to R. Hence we have got three functions: fx equals to bx for all x belongs to R, fx equals to 0 for all x belongs to real, this is a constant function, and here another function is fx equals to a minus x. Here one can think, what if b equals to 0, then obviously that case has been covered here. So it is also a family of, this is a special case of this function equation when b will turn out to be 0. So obviously this is not another function, just a part of this family of functions, and this is another family of functions. Thus we are getting two family of functions, that is fx equals to bx for all x belongs to R, and fx equals to a minus x for all x belongs to R. So this is my solution for this Belarusian Mathematics Olympiad 2017. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video if you like the solution. Thanks for watching.